I am going to die, you guys. What? What? You guys, I'm going to die. It's so long. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Of course I am touched up. As you can tell by the title, I don't know what the title is gonna be right now, let me not lie, but I am headed out for a road trip with my friends. I hope to bring you guys along as much as I can. We have like a number of activities and all that nice stuff, and it's like so this is what my best friend and I do for each other every our birthdays. We take each other, and those days we'll just go out and have meals, but now we are finding out that life is much more, yeah. So what we do is we get to go out and do fun activities, go for a staycation and all these things. So it was my birthday a while ago, maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago almost, and yeah, now it's time to go for the road trip. It's not so far, but yeah, it's a bit of a distance and it's a bit out of town, and I do hope to bring you guys along as much as I can. And yeah, I have packed up most of the things. Oh, I can't wait to use my new equipment, my tripods, my monopods and all that stuff. Right now I'm still using the ring light tripod, but yeah, that being said, come along, and I hope that you know you do enjoy. I think it's going to be 2 parts because wait, how do I put everything in one video? No, so we're gonna have, I think, 2 videos, part 1 and part 2. And yeah, I'm getting an accent from some chick that I follow on Instagram. Anyway, yeah, so that being said, let me finish packing up. She's already late, and she already told me now we're meeting at 10 and all that stuff, but we're supposed to meet at 9:30. and yeah, but anyway, let's avoid the chit chat and let's finish packing up and let's go. So we are now on the way. Finally. Say hi.
Hi.
I don't know if I'll show you guys those guys that are in front, Carrie and her friend, but we're finally on the way. We've literally just left. We went shopping a bit, but finally on the way here. And it's been a long journey. Do you want to say something? Okay guys, let's see how far we can take you. That's sad, but I think it's so we are here. So Madam Planner, what are we? What activities are we doing today?
Everything.
Everything
That is there to be done.
Okay. See guys, there's like so many guys and it's like a weekend. Yeah. Let's get to the room later. activities that these ladies learned. There's zip-lining, paintballing. I don't know if you're going to go for all those activities considering that the rain has come. But, nag. You guys, if you ask me how I felt on the zip line, I don't even know what to say. Like, it was, all I can say, it was worth it. Like, everything, the sweating, the climbing. This is my post-risk face, you guys. I thought I was gonna die, that's all I'm saying, but I'm here. I made it. Guys, yeah, Terry, hi. No, I know it. Josie. At least you're having a good time. All of these are like adventures. This side. Like I do think I was refusing. Have found themselves.
That young girl over there decided to go alone. Some people are brave.
Dope stuff. Yes! This is the life that there's a lot out here every weekend, you guys. Just unwind. I would.
doubt you will stress it.
Right? Actually, there's no reward for suffering. Yeah, there isn't. Guys, the beauty for me is the fact that you can stop in the middle of a lake, this man-made lake, and just float. Like, you don't have to do all that